Hey everybody, Brian at AMS, and I'm here to show you our Nissan GTR R35 billet deep trans pan. So a lot of you are familiar with the pan spacer that we made, which was a spacer that designed to take the stock pan and move it down to give you a little bit more room. We wanted to make something that was a little bit better, a little bit cleaner, a little bit nicer looking into a complete package. This comes with everything you need to bolt it in. It adds about 2 quarts of fluid to the system, and that's important because when you go under heavy high G acceleration, for example on a drag launch, the fluid in the pan will slosh backwards and you can get shifting issues, clutch issues, things like that. So this piece holds the transmission pickup and filter against its housing, and the opening is only on the back. So as you accelerate and the fluid is pooled here, you'll be pulling in fresh fluid in addition to the extra volume, which keeps that immersed even when it's pushed up against the rear wall. We have a stainless steel pickup tube, O-ring, all of the hardware. It goes right in, so if you're upgrading your transmission or even doing a fluid flush and filter change, it's a great time to pop it on. For more information on it, check us out at amsperformance.com and check out our YouTube channel to see full video of our clear trans pan demonstrating what the oil does. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.